How to replace a lost driver's license. The moment you realize your driver's license is missing, act fast. Some states recommend filing a police report, especially if you suspect theft. This helps protect you against identity fraud and may be required when applying for a replacement. Always check your state's DMV website for specific instructions before proceeding. One of the easiest ways to replace your lost license is through your state's DMV website. Many states offer an online portal where you can request a replacement card quickly. You'll need to provide personal information, proof of identity, and pay a replacement fee. This option can save you time and a trip to the DMV office. If your state does not offer online replacements, or if you need a new photo, visiting the DMV in person is your next best option. Bring a valid form of identification, proof of residency, and payment for the replacement fee. Be prepared for possible wait times, and remember some offices require appointments. After submitting your replacement request, many DMVs issue a temporary paper license. This temporary document allows you to drive legally while your official card is mailed to your address. Keep it safe as it is your only proof of driving eligibility during this period. To avoid the hassle of replacing a lost license again, explore digital driver's license options if your state offers them. Carry your physical license in a secure wallet or case. Staying organized can save you from future headaches and potential identity theft. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.